department CMR set, and I'm Tanvi. These are my teammates Nazima, Praneet, Vishwa, and Varun. So our project is well watched. As we all know that many accidents occur due to open borewells, but also the existing solutions are completely closing the borewells. But this is not the right thing to do because borewells are there to for the harvesting of rainwater. So our solution, well watched, is mainly focuses on harvesting the rainwater as well as the protection of people from falling into the borewells. Next, my teammates will explain about our project.
As per the proposed solution, we implemented a solar plant smart grid open borewells as it ensures both the safety and the groundwater harvestment. As it harvests the rainwater sensor, as it recharges the groundwater by opening the lid automatically, and when no person is detected, and when the person is detected, it automatically close. As we here use the solar panel for the electricity purpose, and we here use the battery purpose. So it charges for the Arduino, so that it generates all the power supply for it. And where the Arduino is a microcontroller which operates the code which we have implemented in the servo motor. As per the circuit, here the PIR sensor actually detects a human and all. As per project it is mainly used for the protection of the people and all animals. So it cannot be done like it ensures the safety implementations for the people, and the overall components gonna guide by my friend.
The components which are included in our project is Arduino Uno, PIR sensor, rain sensor module, light dependent resistor, buck converter, servo motor, breadboard, red LED, white LED, solar panel, solar charge controller, 12 volts battery, LED with winch.
This project, total there are 6 conditions and 2 are major. First one is daylight condition and second one is night light condition. So in daylight also there are 3 conditions. First, when motion is detected by PIR sensor, and second one is when there is no motion, and third condition is when rain falling. So in daytime, when there is a motion occur, then LED, red color LED and buzzer will on automatically. And in night time, when there is a motion, PIR sensor same as well as it as day. And in second condition, when there is no motion, first in daylight there will be no changes. The product will be stay as it is. In night condition, using LER light dependent resistor, the LED will turn on entire night. In third condition, when rain falls, so when there is a motion detected, the lid will close on the borewell, and when the motion detection is stopped, then the servo motor will rotate and the lid will be opened to harvest the rainwater.
I am here to tell about advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are prevents borewell accident and works automatically without humans. And disadvantages are PIR may give false stickers and servo motor mechanical faults may appear over time. Coming to conclusion, this project provides a smart and automated safety solution for open borewells. By integrating motion detection, rain sensing, night monitoring, and solar power, the system enhances public safety and reduces accident risk. It demonstrates how simple embedded systems can solve real-world social problems effectively and economically. Thank you.
We placed a solar panel, rain sensor and LDR sensor top of the project, and below it we connected to solar panel converter, and by using wires and we connected to battery which is 12 volts and 8 amperes. And here is the main setup which consists of the circuit and PIR sensors which detects the motion, and down there for indication we put LEDs. And this whole setup will be implemented on the borewell, and this is a lid which close and open by detecting the motion. And this is my overall project review.
వచ్చింది.